Oh, I'd rather be talking to you boys and girls out there, you wonderful, glorious bastards and shit talkers, than I would be what I did today. I had to go all the way to Miami and back for work and whatnot. But you know what? At the same time, you work hard and I get to pay the mortgage. So it's how that shit works. If you were turned me on to another small parts manufacturer the other day, something that's amazing. I love it to death. And he sent me one, so I'm gonna show you what it is. Whenever we see amazing small craftsmen in the States making stuff, we're gonna show you, because I think it's kind of hard to find that stuff. So we'll be back in just a second. So we all know where to find parts, accessories, supplies, and stuff on J&P Cycles and Revzilla and Harley stuff and local independent shop stuff. But it's hard to find, I think, sometimes the small shop that's a dude or a couple dudes or ladies making amazing small batch stuff one at a time, not charging a fortune for it, and making really cool stuff. To me, that's like that buried treasure, right, that we're all looking for. Something unique on your bike. We did a video about what makes your bike unique, and this sort of stuff does. So Arnold, a viewer, reached out to me a while back and said, you got to check this dude out. He's making some really cool stuff. When we see stuff like this, we'll show it on the channel. I know we talked about JH Choppers. They did my derby cover on the Ultra that I cannot show because it's ready to go and loaded up. We talked about Skulls with Skills. That's the guy that made the really cool fender guard rack that uses your quick release stuff that says Professional Monkey and has my logo. We showed that. And today we're going to talk about Boss-Fab. So I'm going to show his card real quick. Woo! Boss-Fab is a small shop. Where is he located? He's in the States. It doesn't say. Anyway, Boss-Fab is a small shop in the States that he makes derby covers, he makes timer covers, and he makes shift linkages. Now, you've seen these before. You go to the Harley shop and their chrome one is at least $150, if not more, for the really nice ball milled job like I've got on the Heritage there. But one of the ways to make your bike unique would be to do something like, I don't know, that. Isn't that cool as hell? So Boss-Fab made this for me and sent it to me. And all I want in exchange is for you guys out there to order one from him if you want something like this on your bike. If you're looking for something unique and special, that's cool, man. I'm not a paid sports, I'm not compensated or whatever, other than he sent me this, and that is badass. So if your name is Dave, if you want to say Street Glide, Road Glide, the name of your club, the name of the organization that you may ride with, the name, if you want Marine Corps, that's a prime example. If you're a veteran and you want to put POWMIA, USMC, again, your organization, if your organization will let you do that. Don't just go off making custom parts for your bike with the name and logo and stuff for your organization, because there might be rules. I know mine does. I can't just start making stuff and putting it on the bike. There's got to be clearance. But anyway, here's the thing. Boss-Fab's in the States. Every single part of this is American made. From the ball ends there, Heim joints, I think. Those US made. The material US made. He creates them all right here. And there you go. They're $150, $149.99, including shipping to anywhere in the United States. So that's one of those amazing things. And actually, I was meant to have it on the Ultra before I hit the road and didn't. So I like this thing so much. It's going in the truck right now, and I'm going to put it on my bike in the Buffalo Chip at the campsite next to the rig, because I cannot not have this on the bike. It's too cool. So again, $149.99, 100% American made, and he's going to send it to your house for that price. So what happens is you go to, and I'm going to look at the website, you go to bossfab.com, so www.boss-fab.com. So www.bossfab.com with a dash between boss and fab. And then you just check out there on the website, and in the notes section, you put in there what text you want it to be or what your idea is, and then he'll email you a design. So when he did this mine, he sent me a graphic, so I knew exactly what it was going to look like. You can talk about the fonts you want it in, because you can do it in different fonts. They don't have to look like that. But that's beyond freaking cool. I'm real proud of that. I love anything that makes your bike super unique, and that definitely does. So So there you go. So thanks a ton to Mikey, who owns Boss-Fab, because that's badass. So for 150 bucks, you're not getting any better. Get on there, order yours, put on there whatever you want. So the last bit today, pretty short and simple video, is just an update on stuff. No matter how much preparation, how much preparation that you do for a trip like this, it always seems like you get to the end and you're unprepared. And I am no exception. So the bikes are loaded in the rig and the rig is ready, but I still got so much friggin' work to do, and I have roughly 72 hours to do it in. Because I roll this Friday. I hope to be hitching on at 6 a.m. That's my goal, be arriving into the storage lot where the rig is sitting by 6 a.m. and hitching on. And then rolling that day. First night, Friday night, I plan to only make it to Cordell, Georgia, because that is the night of the live stream. So this Friday the 30th, I will be a few hundred miles into the Sturgis journey, and I'm going to stop at a KOA in Cordell, Georgia, and we're going to go live at 8 p.m. like we normally do. So this is on schedule, normally every other Friday night. 8 p.m. Eastern, it'll be 7 p.m. Central where I am, but 8 p.m. Eastern live on YouTube will be on. I'll be in the rig. The missus will join me from StreamYard, and we can still hang out. And hopefully, I'll just be reporting how everything's fine. It's fine. Everything's totally fine. No issues, you know? But we'll have, I don't know if I'll have a libation. I'll have, let's be honest. Let's just be honest. Yeah, there's gonna be a drink. So we'll have a cocktail and we'll sit and talk. Hopefully there will have been no adventures that day. I'm only going, what is that, 350? I don't know, it's not about 350. It's not that far. But at least I'll be on my way, as much time I can get in. The next night, I'll be stopping in Granite City, Illinois. I'm gonna stop in Tennessee along the way and see the brother Possum that you all know from the side chats. Looking forward to that. We've never been in the same room together. The dude cracks me up every time, so I can't wait to hang out with him for a bit, just stop for a cup of coffee. And he may or may not be bringing me some bootleg shine. I'm just saying, it might happen. It could be in there. And then the next night, stopping in Mitchell, South Dakota, hoping, I'm building in extra time. You gotta do that when you're pulling this kind of weight and going that far. You gotta build in time for something to go wrong. Hopefully it don't. And then we are pulling to Sturgis Buffalo Chip on Monday the 2nd. Beyond that, a reminder of the meetups during the rally, because I don't think anyone's gonna be watching this who's going to the rally past that, so I don't know if anyone's gonna miss stuff. But on August the 5th, we are meeting up at the Big Engine Bar at the Buffalo Chip. That's the bar that's outside the gate, so you can just go to the chip. You don't have to pay to get in or anything. The Big Engine Bar, it's a big engine out front. Someone's gonna say, where's that? 6 p.m. August the 5th at the Big Engine. Just gonna hang out for a bit, have a couple beers and meet up with anyone before. I don't know what we do. The missus will be there for that. It'll be me and the missus. And then on August the 6th is the World Record Poker Run arrival party. We're gonna do all that we can to be there for that, to support Sonny the Badger, Mrs. Badger, and the rest of the crew arriving. Toby Norton's with them, a bunch of people were with them. Ornery one's with them, you know, a couple people that have channels, and then just people that have signed up to go on the ride. They arrive on the 6th. So there's gonna be a parade that they're gonna actually ride through the Buffalo Chip up front, huge celebration. All the vets that are on the ride are going out front, gonna lead the parade. It's really cool stuff. Sonny and the Badgers have done a phenomenal job creating this thing from thin air, and it's amazing. They're breaking the world record for the world's longest poker run. So tonight the 6th, we'll be hanging out with them at the Chip, and then August the 11th, we will be at the Beaver Bar, which is the big white tent bar on the main drag by Glencoe, up on the same, you know, Bear Butte's right there, and it's in that area. The reason we chose August the 11th is that is the night of ZZ Top, which is the biggest headliner all week if you look at the ticket prices. Obviously ZZ Top's the one that they're getting a couple more bucks for, so that's the biggest night. So we figure everyone's gonna be in the area. So 6 p.m. at the Beaver Bar, the night of ZZ Top. We're gonna hang out for a couple hours, and then we're all gonna go over to the Chip where we're staying, but also to see ZZ Top. Anyone who's with us, of course, we'll all just hang out in the back, make fools of ourselves, and maybe get thrown out. Hopefully not. But you have to have dreams, I feel, in this world. So there you go. August the 5th, Big Engine Bar. August the 6th, I don't know, up front, wherever the World Record Poker Run arrival is. August the 11th, the Beaver Bar. Thanks again to Boss-Fab. This thing's amazing. If you want something custom for your bike, boss-fab.com. Again, 150 bucks, made in the States. by a small shop, a dude named Mikey. I got his business card right here, and he'll even ship it to your house for that 150 bucks. And you ain't gonna get any better buying anything cool for your bike. You're just not. So take care of each other out there. Let me know what you want to see in the next few days, if possible. I got a bunch of really cool stuff that have nicely been sent by a couple viewers and whatnot for the trip. I plan on doing that video tomorrow. So that'll be maybe the last video I get to do before I roll. But appreciate the hell out of you. Love you to death. Keep in touch. If you're not a subscriber, hit subscribe. That way you'll see all the videos. And I never say this, but evidently I'm supposed to say hit the bell because notifications aren't working if you don't hit that bell. But like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.